turkeys right here, like a bunch of them. Alright, y'all, we're out here, and we had a bunch of deer run out, but then a bunch of turkeys just went from this wood line through there onto the railroad track, and he's strutting on the railroad track. So, we're getting some footage right now. It's pretty cool. Alright guys, we have zoomed in to the birds we saw last night from the public side. Not ideal. Now a creek in the way. I know we can't get to the edge of the field, but we're really close to them. We're probably under 60 yards from them. Yeah, we're really close. Guy's creeping around me, I think. He knows I'm here, but man, I don't want people problems here. I think he's trying to go around me. I don't know what's going on. He's on the ground right next to me. I just wanted to fire. Down. I was gonna set up right there. I didn't think they'd go across the creek. stalking me? That was the craziest thing that's ever happened to me. You know, what he did was he saw me. Man, that sucks. Oh. He saw me. I came up here. I looked up, and he was crossing the gap with his head up. And I thought he didn't see me, but I think he saw me because he skirted me. The other one followed him, went up the hill, and that other guy that drove off was down on the other side of the field. I think once they got on top, they were above me. They were above my decoy looking down on me. And then they must have saw the guy across the field and went over there. Wow, that was wild.
Alright, I don't even know what to make of that situation. So, man, looking back, I definitely made a mistake there. I think he saw me when I saw him cross through a little gap and his head was up. I didn't think he saw me, but I think he definitely saw me because the way they skirted me and went up. Started for me because they heard me calling, and then I think they went down to the other guy after that. He never made a peep though. I think they just went by him. I don't even think he called once, so he got really lucky there. And I made a few mistakes there, but good for that guy. But man, that was wild. Like, that's crazy that he was in the right spot like that. The other turkey ran down past me at like 45 yards running. I didn't want to take that shot. It's too far, and he was moving fast. So, hey, we'll try again probably on a small parcel. I'm surprised he went in with my truck parked here. Alright, y'all, 6:04 a.m. out of the woods. We're in a new spot. Okay, y'all, second spot, back to the farm.
A bunch of birds way the hell across the field, so tons of strutting birds and stuff. 8 of them are somewhat strutting, so a lot of birds over there, but they're a ways away, so I'm just gonna hang here. Let's try to pull them over. That's all neighbors. Had a guy out here hunting last year, but this year I don't see anybody. Turkey gobbling behind me. He's coming up this way. There's a different bird. I think he's down there where that bird was strutting before where I was scouting. I'm not sure where he went. He was coming in really fast. When I first started moving really far, he covered a ton of ground and he was within 100 yards of me, but he shut up. I don't know where he went. All the birds are just gone. This one over here hasn't heard it. I haven't heard anything or seen anything. The one's out in the field behind a roll, and I haven't seen him in 15 minutes, so not sure what's going on. He's just struck up a gobbler. Not too far. Cut some distance here, get to the end of the property here. He's definitely on the other one. Probably might be able to get within a few 100 yards. Made a move on this bird. He's pretty close to me. The hen or person that's cutting a lot is moving down the field, which I think it's on her. These gobblers are staying. I think the hunter's moving around them. They're staying. This is a good spot. If they come in, they're coming right here. This hen that was cutting went all the way around. Is way over here now. Gobblers is still in the middle right here. So we're basically calling from both sides of them. But they haven't moved. And these gobblers, I think, have worked up in here, which is good for me, but I'm not going to move off of this guy yet. We got a lot of birds. The other ones just came down. They're like here, like 100, 150 yards from me. Oh, I see them. They're cutting. There you go. He was right in the middle of both of them.
Man, we're just like right out of the game today. Dude! Freaking bird! Dude, that was the most insane turkey hunt ever. Are you kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me right now? Dude, I've heard 2 gunshots today. Oh my goodness. Dude, opening day. Oh. Guys, opening day in New York. Oh my goodness. This is insane. That was the most crazy day ever. This morning I went to these birds I had roosted, skirted outside, got shot, came over here like, screw it, we'll try one more. Up here, had these birds come up, and they were too far away. I decided to come down here when I heard this gobble. And there's another hunter down here, and he's calling for a while, we're calling back and forth, and he shoots one. And then I think he stood up, these guys putted and ran over this way. Pops his head right over there. Boom. Oh, thank you, God. Yes. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Gosh. Oh yeah. Wow, dude, I'm so speechless right now. Last year was the toughest year I've ever had. I didn't kill a bird, I struggled, I made mistakes, and this morning I got really bummed out. Got out there in public, bird skirted around me, got shot, and the other one booked it out. So I headed out at 6 a.m. I was only in there for about half an hour from sunrise. 6 a.m. left that spot, came here, saw a bunch of birds way out, ended up hearing a bird, probably one of these guys down here. So I made a move down here quick, which was definitely the way to go. Ended up there was another hunter down there calling. We called back and forth, and then he finally got one shot. Then he must have stood up after about 5 minutes, and these guys started putting and heading this way. They ended up coming right to me, basically, so I did get very lucky with that. Right over the mountain, he stuck his head up, and man, nice bird. These things are incredible, and I've never killed bird on opening day. Like I said, last year I didn't even kill a bird, so I was really stressed about this year, not having a lot of birds around, but we got her done opening day. Oh man. Look at this. Alright y'all, we were headed out with a bird opening day. I couldn't even think of anything better, but that was one of the funnest hunts I've ever been on. So stressed when everyone's shooting birds around me, but we got it done. I mean, I heard 2 other gunshots, so busy morning. A lot of guys were out, but wow, I can't believe we got an opening morning bird after all of that, what happened this morning. Yeah, we're gonna head back in, get a video out soon.